there be? To say that something exists, happens, and how many. There is. There isn't. In my city, there isn't a mountain, there isn't a river, but there is a beautiful beach. There are. There aren't. Some, any. At the beach, there are some dolphins. There are some trees. But there aren't any elephants. There was. There wasn't. Last week, there was a storm. There wasn't a tsunami. There were. There weren't. Last week, there weren't any boats. There were some surfers. There will be. There won't be. Next week, there will be a surf competition. There will be some big waves. There won't be any sharks. Is there? In my city, is there a beautiful beach? Yes, there is. Are there? Are there any elephants? No, there aren't. Was there? Last week, was there a storm? Yes, there was. Were there? Last week, were there any boats? No, there weren't. Will there be? Next week, will there be any big waves? Yes, there will. Will there be any sharks? No, there won't. City, mountain, river, beach. Dolphin, tree, elephant, storm, tsunami, boat. Surfer, competition, wave, shark. There be.